Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to learn Swahili greetings through a simple story. As we go through the story, I want you to listen, repeat, and practice with me. Are you ready? Good, let's go. So, a beautiful morning. It's early in the morning, the sun is shining. You step outside your house and you see your neighbor. You smile and say, Habari ya asubuhi. Again, Habari ya asubuhi. One more time, Habari ya asubuhi. So that simply means good morning. Your neighbor smiles and replies, Nzuri sana. Nzuri sana. One more time, Nzuri sana. That simply means very good. Essentially, habari ya asubuhi, the response is Nzuri sana. Good morning. Very good. I'm fine. Then your neighbor asks, Habari yako. Habari yako. How are you? Habari yako. Your answer, Nzuri asante. Again, Nzuri asante. Good, thank you. As you continue walking, you see an older woman. In Swahili, we greet elders respectfully by saying, Shikamo. Repeat after me. Shikamo. One more time. Shikamo. That simply means accept my respect. And they will respond and say, Marahaba. Marahaba. One more time. Marahaba. Excellent. So that simply means I accept your respect. As you continue walking, you meet your friend on the road. You greet them casually and say, Mambo. Repeat after me. Mambo. And then your friends reply and say, Poa. Mambo, Poa. So Mambo simply means what's up. And then the response Poa means cool. Mambo, Poa. That's a casual greeting. Sometimes they may say Safi. Safi. So Safi means fine, great, but the literal translation of the word Safi is clean. So I'm clean. I'm good. No worries. Okay. Good. Perfect. Since this is your friend, you can proceed and ask them how are they doing. So to ask them how they're doing in Swahili, you can say Unaendeleaje. Unaendeleaje. One more time. Unaendeleaje. How are you doing? And they will respond and say Ninaendelea vizuri. Ninaendelea vizuri. I am doing great. I'm doing okay. I'm doing good. Sometimes they can say Poa. Cool. Just like that. How are you doing? Cool. Poa. Okay. Perfect. Now you arrive at the market. You greet the seller politely and say, Habari yako. Habari yako. How are you? Okay. The seller smiles and say, Nzuri, karibu. Repeat after me. Nzuri, karibu. Good, welcome. So karibu is welcome, right? And then now you respond and say, Asante. One more time. Asante. Asante simply means thank you. Perfect. Now it's time for you to go home. You're done with your shopping. You say kwaheri. Repeat after me. Kwaheri. Kwaheri. Perfect. And then someone will reply and say, kwaheri tutaonana baadaye. Kwaheri tutaonana baadaye. Goodbye, we will see each other later. Kwaheri tutaonana baadaye. Good job. Now, assuming it's nighttime and you want to bid farewell. So if it's nighttime, you can say usiku mwema. Repeat after me. Usiku mwema. One more time. Usiku mwema. That simply means good night. And they can respond and say usiku mwema pia. Usiku mwema pia. So you add pia at the end. So good night too. Good night as well. Perfect. Good job. So let's do a final review and I want us to say them together. Are you ready? Habari ya asubuhi. Habari ya asubuhi. Good morning. Habari yako. Habari yako. How are you? Nzuri sana. Nzuri sana. I'm good. Very good. Shikamo. Shikamo. Accept my respect. Marahaba. Marahaba. I accept your respect. Mambo. What's up? And the response? Poa. I'm cool. Cool. You can also say safi instead. Safi. Good. Karibu. Karibu. Welcome. Asante. Asante. Thank you. Kwaheri. Kwaheri. Goodbye. Usiku mwema. Usiku mwema. Good night. Wonderful. So keep practicing. Listen, repeat. Listen, repeat. That is how you learn. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more Swahili lessons here on Swahili Corner. Kwaheri na tutaonana baadaye.